Wow.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to the management, stakeholders, and guests. Congratulations, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just witnessed a historical moment as this is the first ever virtual listing on BSE for Mitsubishi Plast Limited.
Mayuri,
You can see the
repeat
live figures on the screen, everyone. Here we are running the live figures on the screen, live on screen.
Mitsubishi BSE stock exchange पर listing थी, virtual listing. Mitsucam.
Yeah. Okay. So we can start. We can unmute. We can mute all.
Everybody. Congratulations. Congratulations once again. So Manish sir, with your permission, we would like to proceed.
Yes. Yes.
All right.
We can mute all and we can proceed further. We can mute all and we can proceed further.
Yes. Everybody.
Yeah. You can,
moving ahead.
You can change the screen also. Now we will go with the speakers.
All right. So once again, I would like to congratulate Mitsukem. Congratulations. Now, moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, we have esteemed gathering of the dignitaries present with us. In this, as I said, in the end of the session, we will be having a Q&A round, question and answer round. If you have any questions right now for our dignitaries, for our speakers, you can write the questions in the chat box. And we will try to answer all your questions in the end of the session. But if time doesn't permit, we will take your questions afterwards. You can write us on the given email address. Moving ahead, with a great honor, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite our chief guest of the day, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO BSE, to address all of us on this extremely significant occasion. So very, very warm welcome to you. Can we have Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan on the screen, please? Sir, we can't hear you.
Ashish ji, please enable your mic from your side.
Yes.
I have done that. I was unmuted from the...
Now it's
Sir,
okay.
now
Now
you're
it's okay,
audible.
sir.
Okay.
Now you're audible, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Welcome,
Shri
sir.
Jagdish Dedia, Shri Sanjay Dedia, Shri Manish Dedia, Shri Vidyut Shah, Shri Girish Joshi, Shri Ajay Thakur. A good morning and warm welcome to everyone. Before I begin, I wish to place on record our gratitude to all personnel of Mitsucam Plast and BSE for the arrangements to make this event possible in these difficult times. Human spirit is ignited by the resolve to overcome the pandemic, and we at BSE have been doing that with our continued operations. Since the nationwide lockdown from March 25, 2020, BSE has taken a number of steps to ensure normal business functioning of the capital markets. Even in these tough times, BSE has fully supported SMEs and startups to ensure that they can raise funds and keep their business running and growing. Amidst the nationwide lockdown, BSE's SME and startups segments have seen 3 SMEs and 1 startup get listed on the exchange. Today, Mitsucam Plast has risen to the occasion by migrating to the main board of the BSE. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the BSE main board as we celebrate the migration of our SME member, Mitsucam Plast, to the main board of BSE. Mitsucam Plast got listed on SME platform on September 9, 2016, and less than 4 years, the company has migrated to the main board of BSE. Migration to the main board is a vital step for the company in moving forward, gaining prominence, and opening new avenues and opportunities for growth. Migration to the main board is an accomplishment of best practice in compliance, corporate governance, and public trust on the SME platform. As seen in the past, growth and impetus is given to every company that gets to the main board of BSE. I'm sure, like other companies listed on our platform, Mitsu Chemplast is a recipient of our unconditional support. The main board of BSE has more than 4,000 listed companies, making it the largest of any exchange in the world. With today's migration, Mitsu Chemplast is adding to the success of this platform. BSE has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets. It's Asia's first and now the fastest stock exchange in the world, speed of 6 microseconds. It provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equity, debt, currencies, and interest rate derivatives, mutual funds, stock lending, borrowing, and commodities. BSE offers a strong, robust platform for investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment. Our benchmark index, S&P BSE Sensex, is often referred to as a barometer of Indian economy. I'm sure that our newest member, Mitsu Chemplast, will continue to add value to the success story of BSE main board. I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate Mitsu Chemplast for successful listing and wish them the best as they forge forward in their business. I extend my best wishes to the entire team of Mitsu Chemplast. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for gracing this occasion with your presence. And thank you so much for your support. Moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Girish Doshi, Chief Trading Operation and Listing Sales BSE, to address the gathering. Can we have Mr. Girish Doshi on the screen, please?
Girish bhai, you need to unmute your mic.
Girish ji, please switch on your mic from your side. On the bottom left, click on.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes,
Audible,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. And good morning to everyone, and hardly congratulations to entire family of Mitsu Chemical, and I'm sure Mitsu Chemical, and special thanks to Mr. Jagdish Bhai, Sri Manish ji, and even Mr. Sanjay Dedia ji, and independent director Sri Ashish ji, Dilip ji, and Madam Neha, and even my fellow colleagues Sri Ajay Thakur and our MD and CEO, all of hardly good morning to everyone. As our MD also said, now Mitsu has come to the main board, so another journey is there, and once company comes into the main board, people look at a totally different perspective, and corporate governance is one of the main criteria where the company is has to show the better benchmarking and better best practices. And apart from the corporate governance, nowadays investors and other stakeholders are also looking at the practices on environment, social, and looking at the company's profile, which has presence in so many areas of industries, and it is there in supply chain as a important SME companies or mid-sized company. I'm sure you have company will adopt to the best standards on E&S aspect also, apart from the governance, which will try to attract the best interest of all stakeholders. Now, if you look at the size of mid-cap, small cap index, the market capitalization of small cap index of all the companies around 15,83,000 crore. And the top company in the small cap is having the market cap of 37,000 crore, and the smallest company is having 20 crore. And if you look at the market cap of Mitsu, it is higher than the whatever the lowest company in the our small cap indices. So it is started with a very promising note, and I wish all the best to the entire family of Mitsu and its team. And again, a lot of efforts have been put by Sri Manish ji. I know I have been coordinating with him for last 2 days. A lot of commitment and dedication by Sri Manish ji also and his team. And I'm sure if this is the commitment and dedication for a very, I would say, when you do for such an event, I'm sure same would be there for your lot of other activities also, which is meeting the expectation for investors as well as customer. So thank you again to all of you, and wish all the best. Thank you.
Sir, thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable insights. Thanks a lot for your best wishes. Moving ahead, May I now please request Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head BSc, SME and Startup to address the gathering. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Very good morning. Respected Jagdish ji, Sanjay ji, Manish ji, Independent Director Ashish ji, Dilip ji, Neha Madam, our Honorable MD and CEO Sri Ashish ji, Chief Trading Operation Girish ji, our very loved one, the Merchant Banker Sri Sripal Shah ji, and our Chartered Accountant Vidyut ji, with whom I have a very long association. The team of Mitsukem. Very good morning to all of you, and let me congratulate you on being migrated to the main board of the stock exchange. Of course, it must be a great journey, and that also at the time of this unprecedented crisis that we are seeing today, that is caused by this COVID, where everybody is at home. Of course, Manish ji has come out with a very innovative idea of this virtual listing. And let me tell you that I am enjoying this. It's you people have put great system in place, and it's very innovative. I still remember the journey of the listing, when we all have a series of meetings with Manish ji and Vidyut ji for getting the company listed. And finally, after 2 years, the company got listed on our SME platform. And last 3 years has flied like anything. And today, I still, remember the day when the company got listed on our SME platform, and there was a listing ceremony in the convention hall. And today, we are seeing that even in these challenging times, the company has matured enough to migrate onto the main board of the stock exchange. And I'm quite sure that, we all in the BSE are very happy to see your, migration to the main board and getting you transformed from a small and medium company to a large corporate. So I wish you all the best, the whole Dedia family, the whole Mitsu team, for achieving a big thing in your journey. I think that is the dream of all the promoters. Going forward, also let me congratulate Sripal Shah. I don't know how it happens that in each and every new thing what we start, he becomes the part and parcel of the listing ceremony. I still remember when we started the SME platform, Sripal was our merchant banker. When we started a startup platform, again Sripal Shah was the merchant banker. And today when we are doing the virtual listing for migration from the SME platform to the main board, he is again the part and parcel of this team. So Sripal, thanks a lot for being a great pillar on this transformation of this SME platform. And I am quite sure with your support, this BSE SME platform will keep on contributing to the growth of this country. With these words, and again, last but not the least, I also would like to thank Vidyut ji for bringing Mitsu company on our BSE SME platform and guiding the company to the growth path. With these words, once again, thank you all. And I wish Dedia family, the Mitsu team, for becoming a large corporate and make all of us proud in the future. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ajay ji, for your timely support. This support is the biggest source of motivation for Mitsu, I feel. Well, moving ahead, I would like to request our merchant banker, Mr. Sripal Shah, Director, Ariman Financial Services Limited, to share a few words.
Talk, Sripal ji.
Hi, can everybody hear me?
Yes, sir, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes,
Hi. Good morning, everybody who's watching this. I really want to thank Manish Bhai Dedia for this very good initiative and superb, most professional management. Yesterday he called up, the training was done. This is my first Zoom meeting practically doing or talking or interacting. And it was so smooth, very well managed. Manish Bhai, really pat on your back. It was a superb initiative. And in these negative times when we are full of negativity, the WhatsApp, social media, everybody's full of negativity. Even I can say that a lot of my colleagues in the industry are full of negativity. These small things will really make a big difference. Everybody who's part of today's function is going to start this day on a very positive note. We lit the virtual lamp. I saw Ashish Ji's face. I saw Ajay Bhai after so many days. I saw all you people. I saw my dear friend Vidyut Bhai after so many days. In fact, Vidyut Bhai and me have a joke that I meet him and talk to him more than my wife. Due to lockdown, that has also got spoiled. So I'm so happy to be part of this, and I'm really happy that this small baby Mitsukam is becoming this large, amazing enterprise. And I can really see that with these small initiatives, it shows the will of the promoter. Ultimately, any company grows on the will of the promoter. We can give a small example of Reliance Industries. In a time when everybody is in lockdown, in a time when oil and gas companies are looking like they will not exist, this is one entrepreneur who has gone ahead and signed various deals during lockdown, ensured that his ship is in the right direction. And it shows that when there is a will, there is a way. Same way, even I feel these small initiatives of Mr. Manish Dedia, Jagdish Bhai, Sanjay Bhai, all three of them working every day, inch by inch, to take this company forward, is going to really make a big difference in creating investor wealth. And these are the things that create investor wealth. I want to thank Ajay Bhai and Ashish Bhai for being part of this and being so sporting and participating in such an initiative. I want to thank Kalpit as well as Girish Bhai and everybody else from the BSE team who helped coordinate this. And thank you so much for allowing me to be part of it. I've really had a great positive start to the day. Thank you so much. All the best, Mitsukam. Well done.
Thank you so much, Shripal sir. Thank you so much for your positive words. Moving ahead, may we please have the mentor of Mitsukam Plus Limited and the internal auditor from Vijay Shah and Company, Mr. Vidyut Shah, on the screen, please. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Respected Shri Ashish Chauhan ji, who is present face of BSE and a very dynamic personality known in the corporate circles. BSE, most prominent and oldest said institution of India. Respected Shri Girish Joshi ji, Chief of Trading Operations at BSE. My dear friend, Mr. Ajay Thakur, who referred me 2 to 3 times in his speech. A great source of inspiration and motivator for listing of SME units and startups. Great personality. Shripal Sah, the architect behind the listing of Mitsukam Plus Limited, initially on BSE SME platform and now on BSE main board. My dearest promoters, whom I know since very long time, other board members, investors, bankers, and all other well-wishers. Anyone whose dream comes true is always happy, right or not? In my case, it is little different. About 6 years back, I dreamt about listing of Mitsukam. So, when you dream for others and that becomes true, the pride, pleasure, and jubilation is at peak. This is what has happened in my case. So I'm so delighted, so happy that my dream is coming true. You remember 9th September 2016, when the Mitsukam got listed on the SME platform, I got a small sapling which is planted by them for becoming a tree. This gave me a new thought to my speech. I have seen Mitsu as a small seed. Thereafter, the tree, the plant started rising. The stem come up, leaves came up, flowering was there, and now it's fruits. So you can see the journey, whatever I have understood. And all these parts are constituents of a tree. Now, who are the constituents of Mitsui tree? It's promoters, board members, investors, bankers, suppliers, customers, employees, consultants, and last but not the least, chartered accountants like us. We are all witnessing the great moments of this virtual listing. When you named me as a mentor, my wishes as a mentor are that this big tree will give sweet fruits throughout the years to all the stakeholders for a long, long, long time. At the same time, a small piece of advice to the board: follow corporate governance and compliances without any default. This would be a key to a huge success in the years to come. I would like to congratulate Manish, Joint Managing Director, who has taken lead and is instrumental in making this first ever virtual listing ceremony possible. His dynamism, zeal, and flexibility has always impressed me. Chairman Jagdish, a close friend, is a visionary, having very systematic approach and believes in perfection, which is required for any manufacturing process and running the factories. Joint MD Sanjay, whom I have seen as an employee of Coachchem Private Limited, is really an innovative person and believes in developing new products. He is popular amongst top graded customers for his remarkable qualities. Today's event is very important for Mitsuken, since now the journey on the expressway begins. During the journey, it will definitely cross landmarks, overtake certain corporates, and reach destinations while following rules of the game without breaking any rules. My best wishes to the company for a bright future, and whenever required, wherever required, Vijay Shah & Company Chartered Accountants will always be there for right course and right moments. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to address this virtual listing gathering. Thanks again.
Thank you so much, Vidyutji. Thank you so much. So much of positivity in your speech. And you have spoken all the best things about everybody, I feel. All right, moving ahead to share the journey of Mitsui, ladies and gentlemen. Now I would like to invite Mr. Jagdish Dedia, Chairman of Mitsukin Plus Limited. Can we have him on the screen, please? Hello, sir. Good morning. Sir, unmute कीजिए आपका mic.
Yeah.
Jagdish
Yes.
ji, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Good morning to all of you, and I welcome you all on these special occasions. It is my pleasure to brief you about our Mitsui journey. In the year initially 1988-89, we noticed demand of plastic packaging in this Vasai, Tarapur, Dahanu industrial area, and we anticipated an opportunity lying in this area. We should start the manufacturing plastic containers this area. Initially in the year 1989-90, we bought 1,000 square meter plot area in Tarapur industrial area. And with the 2 blow molding machines, we started production. And in first year itself, we achieved 300 metric tons. Sri Liladhar Dedia, my father, and Sri Mauji Dedia, my uncle, truly were the primary source of inspiration and guided us in the tough situations. Also, our CA, Mr. Vidyut Shah, is always played an important role in our journey of growth. In the next few years, my younger brother Sanjay and Manish joined this business with all defined process and roles and responsibilities in place. Company had started making the mark in the market by adopting new and innovative technology. Under a major expansion plan in the 2007, we installed latest blow molding machines, produced precise and good quality products, expanded our business into new segments. Thereafter, company has never looked back and grew constantly year after year. In these 30 years, Mitsu has become an established brand in the market as a quality supplier with a wide range of products. Our entire production facility is certified by Integrated Management System, that is IMS. Again, in January 2019, we successfully commissioned and started our new expansion plant at Khalapur in the year 1920 with the new blow molding and injection molded products. Further, in September 2019, we took over a plant and machinery of larger blow molding drum manufacturer company along with the business with an additional capacity of 300 metric ton per month. This way we reached up to 19,200 metric ton per annum as our installed capacity. All our factories are set up in accordance with the green environmental norms, such as manufacturing of reusable and recyclable products, rainwater harvesting system, using of LEDs and motion sensors based tube lights, tree plantation drives, using post-consumer resins, that is PCR, in our multi-layer machinery and many more. On the human resource, we organize medical camps for employees empowerment, employee activities, training and skill development, workshop, to name a few, and is our backbone. We have also employed physically challenged women and men in all our 3 units to uplift their confidence and morale. During this pandemic situation, our factories were running at 40% capacity. For the safety of our employees, we regularly disinfected our plant, vehicles, and other offices. We also provided PPE, hand sanitizer, hand wash, and temperature screening is being done regularly. To summarize, now our company has 3 manufacturing facilities in Maharashtra, 43 blow molding machines, 12 injection molding machines. Employed strength is of 600 plus. We have 500 plus products, 500 plus customers, and installed capacity of 19,200 metric ton per annum, and a sales turnover of rupees 125 crores in the year 2019. My sincere gratitude to workforce, my friends, family, vendors, and customers. This whole journey would have not been possible without their continuous supports. I thank you all for joining us and inspiring us for this now one more step. So thank you all.
Sir, thank you. Thank you so much. This has really been a wonderful journey, I feel. And all who are present here are wishing the best future to Mitsu. Moving ahead for a small presentation, now I would request Mr. Sanjay Dedia, Joint Managing Director, to come on screen. Hello, sir. Good morning. Sir?
Sanjay, please enable your mic from your side.
Yes. Sir, mic on कीजिए आपका. Yes, sir. Now you're audible.
Hello. Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. So thank you very much for this opportunity, and I thank you everyone present here for taking out the time and to witness this historical event for Mitsukam. I will start with a small presentation wherein I'll just give you the glimpse of what is happening at Mitsukam. So yeah, so Vivek, can I have the next slide? So, yeah, so this is a safe harbor statement. So can you move to the next statement, next slide, please? Yeah. So as Jagdish Bhai said, we are taking utmost care to not only sanitize our people, our premises, products, and everything possible so as to break the chain, so as to not to let the pandemic spread further. And yes, we appreciate all those employees who have managed to continue the production by risking their lives. And we have also taken enough care for them. So thank you for all the employees for helping us and the customers, and thereby contributing to the pandemic by supplying the emergency products in time. So yeah, so I think most of the people knows that Mitsukam is offering a widest range in the industry, starting from 100 ml to 250 liters under one roof. And not only that, the addition is always on. We always ensure that we learn always, and at the same time, with the time changing, we unlearn also, so as to come out with the best of the solutions. And so during this pandemic, we identified a huge surge, huge demand for the hand sanitizer, disinfectant, hand soap, and related products, wherein in a record time, we developed few of the products to offer this special range which we introduced, and we managed to produce this in a huge quantity, and we are supplying continuously. Yeah. So as I think most of the people knows that we have been pioneer in this hospital bed and ancillary furniture parts. And well, we are proud to say that we are Atmanirbhar for this particular segment since past 13 years now. And yeah, we hope to go deep into this and try to become, the only source, or rather the completely indigenous support to the whole industry. And we are also supplying to various OEMs for this automotive parts. There is a huge range, starting with all the automotive parts, mainly for the air intake system and some of the fuel tank assembly. We are also supplying these furniture parts for the schools, for the offices, for the transportation, and also for the stadiums. And thereby, we are trying our best. Even in this segment also, there are a lot of imports being done, and we are trying to become a source for the local support. These are a few of our prominent customers, wherein most of these customers are in Fortune 500, and we are thankful to them for the enormous support and trust in us throughout our journey. So this is how we feel that people differentiate, people perceive us, So the product and process innovation. So there is the innovative thought process is a part of, it become a DNA of Mitsukam now. The latest innovation happened at 9 o'clock today. So this is also a kind of it was a part of the thought process. So and apart from this, we do not pose ourselves as supplier, but we are having a consultative approach, wherein we go deep down into the customer's requirement and suggest them an out of the box thinking concept, and which has worked many times. We have many case studies to share. So we are, of course, we are capable of handling any plastic, and there are a lot of innovation happening there as well. VAVE is a very known terminology in Mitsukam, that is value addition by value engineering. And we keep on doing this. This is a never ending cycle. So, you know, we keep on doing, and that is always a thought process of how we can make this better. As I told you, out of the box thinking culture, and yes, the strong client relationship, which is more of a partnership now with many of the customers. So, you know, life without plastic is unimaginable. You can see that plastic plays a major role in our day-to-day life, and this analysis is evident to it, wherein you just can't do away without the plastics. And we are in just a small field, that is a packaging, which is contributing to 24% of the plastic consumed in India, which is going quite similar to the global trends. And so this is to show that there is a huge scope to grow in plastic. Manish Bhai will share in his slide about the per capita difference. Yeah. So focus area for future growth would be, of course, the hospital furniture parts, wherein we are already there, but we would like to go add more values to the business, and there are already many parts under development, and I'm sure despite of this challenging situation, those parts will be introduced very soon. And the customized molding solution is what we have is very, very instrumental in our journey so far, and that is helping us you know, winning the customers confidence by making it confidential, and yet keep on innovating and offering them the innovative solutions. Our focus area in future also would be, as our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi said, that Atmanirbharta. So we are identifying so many products which are being imported, and very soon we'll be vocal about the local for those products. Yeah. So Vivek, next slide, please. Hello.
This is the last slide, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much for the patient hearing, and thank you everyone for your support. I hand it over to Manish now. Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for this wonderful presentation. Just a minute. Yes, so moving ahead, we have Mr. Manish Dedia, Joint Managing Director, for the presentation, the Joint Managing Director and the CFO. Hello, sir. Very, very warm welcome. Good morning.
Okay, good morning. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and respected today's chief guest, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhanji. Our today's guest of honor, Shri Girish Joshi, Chief Trading Operation and Listing Sales, Shri Ajay Thakurji, Head BSc SME and Startup, Shipal Shah from RMN Financial Service Limited, Shri Vidyut Shah from Vijay Shah and Company, and my fellow directors and my team members, Mitsu team. All the guests on a dais for accepting our invitation and gracing this event. Thank you very much. I'll start with our team. So I'll start with a small presentation. So can we have a presentation? So this is our board of directors. Jagdish Dedia, Chairman; Sanjay Dedia, Joint Managing Director; myself, Manish Dedia, Joint Managing Director, CFO; Dilip Gosar, he's a CA, is non-executive independent director; Ashish Doshi, non-executive independent director; and Miss Neha Udar, non-executive independent director. So all are well experienced, and we have a good team to go forward. Next slide. We have we have achieved some awards, which is there on the screen. So latest awards on a spine board, which we got from ET Polymers in February 2020. Next slide, please. So as Sanjay Bhai says, we are looking for new product. So our future growth strategy is like new product. So we are looking for every time a new innovation. We are accepting and experimenting a lot of new innovations in our company. We are trying achieve maximum higher capacity utilization, and still we are trying for that to get higher output. For margin improvement, like we are doing a lot of in-house value engineering in a process and raw material management and a lot of things. We give higher ROC to give higher ROC to investors. We look after new customers, as like new customers give you a lot of insight, and we look after. So I think Sanjay Bhai and team is looking after a lot of new developments, which you'll see in near future. Next slide, please. So as Sanjay Bhai said, like there is a big scope. So big scope in plastics, packaging, and other segment. So here you can see the growth from like 1990 to 2018. So you can see the rapid growth in last 5 years. Next slide, please. So there is enough scope per capita usage of plastic to grow in India, as like India currently is in 11 kgs per capita, and the world average is 28, whereas China is 38. So we'll still, to achieve world average 28 is also a big scope for India, and so on. For Mitsu also, there is a big scope here. Thank you. Next slide. So you can see some 5 years financial performance highlights. We have increased sales in last CAGR almost 7%, and profit is 41%, and still we are growing. Next you can same thing. So the PAT also increased by 31%. This is our yeah, okay, next slide. You can see our March 19 result. Our latest March 20 results will be out soon within some period. Next slide. So now our share capital is around 12 crore paid up capital. Next slide. So this is our half year performance, the latest we have figures. Can go next slide. So this is update by yesterday. The share price was 73. Total market capitalization of 88 crore. As of today, now I can see it's more than 85. So it's almost 100 crore market capitalization. Next slide. So I thank now it's a Thanksgiving especially. And here I would like to say one thing here, that now onwards, no more talk. So the only action will speak. And we can see, because action will speak more than words, definitely. Here I end my presentation with thanking all our partners, the here special BSE, for giving us this opportunity. They were very immediately they agreed on this, and this extended support. Kirin Advisor, who is our IRPR partner, They have also helped us in making this presentation and everything. Thank you very much. Our technology partner, the whole event is conducted by Boomerang Webinar Solution. They helped us build this completely systems and everything. Thank you very much, Vivek ji. Okay, I would like to thank my special gratitude to my late uncle, Mr. Liladhar Virji Dedia, my father, Mauji Virji Dedia. Because of them, because of their ethics, because of their principles, we are here and we are on this height. Still more to go, but we will never forget them. I would especially like to thank our promoter of the company and the backbone, Mrs. Vimla Ben Liladhar Dedia, Mrs. Lilavati Mauji Dedia, Mrs. Amita Jagdish Dedia, Mrs. Jalpa Manish Dedia, my wife, and my special thanks to our family member, Mr. Hansraj Maru and Hemant Maru, who always supported us morally and encourage for in any of a business and gives always good ideas. I would like to thank Miss Drishti Thakkar, who is our company secretary, who has done all compliance work. Mitsu, in Mitsu, you can see all compliance are very, very good and up to the mark. And she has completed all formalities for migrations single-handedly. With BSC team, BSC has also helped us a lot. So really big clap for her. Thank you, Drishti. I thank Miss Khushbu Dedia for helping this event successful, because in the night also, like, we were 12 o'clock till, we were making presentation and all, and she said correction at 12 o'clock also, this is a correction. So she's always helpful. Thank you, Khushbu. I also thank Miss Lakshata Chobal for supporting Khushbu and me in setting up meetings and all. I also thank our each and every member of Team Mitsu for achieving this milestone. Without them, I'm sure we could not have reached here. So all Team Mitsu, thank you very much. Now my special thanks to BSC team. I'll start with the leaders. So Ashish Bhai, I just called up Ashish Bhai, share this idea, and Ashish Bhai, said immediately, yes, okay, we can do this, no problem. Talk to Ajay Bhai and Kalpit, and the things are like automatically smoothen, like everybody has accepted the thought, and I was like thinking kya bolenge, kya karenge, but they accepted very well. Girish Bhai, Mr. Girish Joshi, Mr. Ajay Thakur, Mr. Kalpit Kshetriya, Raghavendra Bhatt, Mr. Mukesh Shah, they all helped us in day-to-day operation also. Anytime you required anything, they really help you. Thank you BSC team, till that good support you have given us in last three and a half years, and further also we expect the same. Thank you. Even Kapil also, Kalpit had morning told me now BSC is also live on Facebook also. So you can see this, the complete program live on Facebook as well, on BSC page. My special thanks to Sunil Mugdal and Mr. Sonal Kumar Srivastav of Kirin Advertiser, who is looking after IRPR agency. Thank you. My thanks to entire RMN team for helping us in our journey. My thanks to team of Paresh Dalal of Messrs PV Dalal and Company, who is our statutory auditor. My thanks to team of Vijay Shah and Company, who are our internal auditor. Vidyut Bhai is our mentor. Chintan Bhai and team, they have a very good team. Thanks for every support. My very special thanks to maybe Mr. Vivek Thakkar of Boomerang Consultancy, who made it this event possible. If I have missed somebody, so please excuse me. Special Michami Dukadam. I might have forget because this was this event thought 3 days back, and we are executing this event. My special gratitude to all my customers, my suppliers, shareholders who trusted us and kept faith in us. Thank you very much. Today, total registration was done around 250 plus. Attendees was around 150 plus today. We are live on YouTube. We are live on Facebook. Even after that, also this function you can see live record this recording. Thank you very much. Mayuri also. Thanks, Mayuri, for hosting this event.
Thank you so much, sir,
Thank you,
for having
everyone.
me here, giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so I hand over to Mayuri ji for further announcement. Thank you.
So with this, ladies and gentlemen, we will be proceeding with the question.